Actually, data server problem. That's why it was disconnected. Again, please join all of you. So here. Okay. Okay. Brown. Okay. I am getting the face right just now. I will do as soon as class is over. Yeah. Definitely, Sudha ma'am. See, this is I am giving the highlight part. This is the nose. Now we are doing the detailing part now. So always remember, when we are doing the detailing work, small detailing is very important when we are making the face. Okay. So always remember this type of the things. Okay. Now I just want the yellow or to add it now. Okay. See. Now this is the same method with the ear also. First I just want to do the yellow ochre. And then the brown shade is the most important thing. Whenever you are doing the light dark shade, always remember your first whatever color you have filled, that will not hide. Okay, always remember. Now I am using my pencil 8B. Okay, that I already said that we are using pencil okay. Now this is the brown and a bit of black also. Somewhere, not everywhere. Okay. Now I am using my black color. In here also, here this is the highlight part, this is the highlight part. Red also, then brown, okay. And this is the brown color. And for the backside light, it's coming, that is called the reflection light. So for this I am using my light skin color. Okay. Now I am mixing everywhere, remember this is a black color, so agar if we are using everywhere the same earbud or same tissue paper, so it will be, move your pick left. Now it is correct, ma'am? Okay. Okay. See the down here also the same process we are going to repeat. The yellow first, lemon yellow, and then a light orange. Here also a lighter, sorry, this is the dark orange. I just want a reflection of the orange also. So I'm giving here, and the down orange, and now the yellow ochre, and this is a light, and then brown, okay. Now I'm mixing with my word. This is a very light part for the white color mixing with, okay. This is the pink. Should be, you have to change according to you, whatever color you want you can use it, okay. Okay, now next, because of this is the lotus or some kind of the flowers. This is the sap green. Now again I am taking this colors to correct my flowers. Okay, flower bunch. Now I am gonna start the sari work. This is a different color shade and some kind of the orangish and yellow mix, and many more colors are here. Okay, now here also I'm using my ultramarine blue for the background. And this is the that was the sky blue, and this is the ultramarine blue. Okay, again I'm using my finger to spread everywhere because with the earbud only a few places we have to cover, but with the finger we have to cover the maximum area. This is the sky blue. I'm not stick my paper, that's why I'm putting hand on it. Okay. This is, I just want to give the background only. Okay, so now this is I just want to use my red color of the pencil shade. Okay, now this is your oil pastel face is completed. Okay, so try to make this. Okay, this is your base of the face, how to make a face, and then you have to fill the colors with the oil pastel and pencil too. Okay, whatever colors we are using, the mixing is a very important. Okay, thank you, Sudha ma'am. Okay, so mixing is very important in this oil pastel. So wherever you are using the colors, you always remember which color we are using and how can we have to mix the colors with the fingers, where I am using my finger, where I am using the birds. So the detailing is very important, but at the same time you have to learn this first. This is the base. Okay, the eyes, nose, lips already I have explained. So this is the oil pastel, and the next class I'll take the pencil, only simple pencil colors, pencil color class. From there, what art you want, the same face making or other, whatever you want, I'll explain. Because nature is not completed, so I think we have to the next session we'll take the landscapes with the human or birds or animals, whatever you want. Please write it down on that group or your whatever your suggestions and what you want to learn, that you have to write on that group, WhatsApp group. Okay, so till then, please try to make this and learn how to make. Repeat the video again and again, and please. Okay, bye bye, take care.